Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. In today's session, we will understand a few things about data lake. So, data lake is a modern approach to store data and to perform analytics on data. So, what exactly is a data lake? A data lake is a centralized repository for structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. So, all the types of data can be stored in a single central repository, which is called as data lake, and it can store raw data at any scale. There is no limit for the scaling. You can store any size of amount of volume of data in the data lake, and also it enables advanced analytics and machine learning. So the data lake can be used to perform advanced analytics and also to perform the machine learning activities. Then here are a few characteristics of a data lake. First thing is it stores the raw data in its native form. For example, if it is a CSV, it will store the data in CSV. If it is Parquet format, it will store in the Parquet. Not only the type of the extension, but also the way how we store, like structured data in the form of SQL tables, also semi-structured data in the form of XML or JSON or any other language format, and also the unstructured data, for example, PDFs, text files, or any audio, video, etc., can be stored in the data lakes in its raw format. And it is highly scalable. There is no upper limit to how much data can be stored. And also, it will follow the schema on read approach, means there need not to be a predefined type of structure of data to load the data into the data lake. It could be any, it can be in its own native format. And also it supports multiple data types. Now, why we switched to data lake whereas we had data warehouse already? So there is a difference between data lake versus data warehouse. Data lake can store the raw data and it has schema on read mechanism. It can store structured as well as unstructured data. Whereas in data warehouse, as we learned earlier in the previous video, it will store the processed data and it has schema on write mechanism, which means the data structure, the tabular format should be already present in the data warehouse to insert data into the data warehouse. And it accepts only the structured only type of data. So whereas data lake has additional capabilities that it can store the raw data itself, it could be structured or it could be unstructured. Now coming to the architectural layers of data lake. The first one is data sources, where from we are getting the data. It could be social media or it could be Internet of Things, it could be database management systems, it could be files, etc. The second layer is ingestion layer, where all the data is ingested into the data lake. Third one is storage area, wherein we are storing the data and processing, and next we will process the data for the analytics purpose. Finally, the consumption layer, where the actual visualizations can be seen. Now coming to the benefits of the data lakes, it is flexible, it is scalable, it is cost effective, it supports AML, it supports advanced analytics, and it can handle real time as well as batch data. Now coming to the popular various technologies in the market, there are AWS Lake Formation, Azure Data Lake, GCP of Google, Hadoop, and Spark based lakes. Based on the availability and based on the requirement, you can use them. And it can support various formats such as JSON, Parquet, etc. Finally, the conclusion is data lakes enable storage and analytics of diverse data. It ensures the value by preventing the data swamps. And the next future of the data lake is data lake host, which is the combination of data lake and data warehouse, which we will discuss in the upcoming session. Hope you understood. If you have any queries, please let us know in the comment section. And for these kind of videos, please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions and hit the like button if you like the video and share the video and subscribe to our channel, Khan's Tech Lab. Thank you.